folks, this is Aunty Rose's kitchen again. Good to have you all back. Today what I have here, I have a lovely BLT lunch, and what it's called is bacon, lettuce and tomato. I fried the bacon, baked it. I didn't fry it, I baked it. Washed the lettuce, nice slice in tomatoes, a few slices of pickle, and you put it on the 2 slices of good bread. You have to buy good solid bread. And here I have my basil tomato soup, all vegetables, celery, carrots, onions, thyme, beans. It is one of the best. It is so quick and so nutritious. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen again. Okay, here I'm gonna make a bacon, lettuce and tomato. Very quick. Here I have my slab bacon. I have my lettuce and my tomatoes, and I have my bread. Slab bacon, you can cut it in halves. This is a very nice bacon. Not a lot of fats, and it baked very good. Okay, so I have several pieces now, so I'm going to take it over to the oven. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the bacon, and it takes no time to do. You can put the oven at around 400 degrees. It's done much faster. So the bacon is in the oven, and you want to get that fried very crispy and nice. So these are nice solid tomatoes. So I'm gonna slice the tomatoes. Nice slicing tomatoes. Wow, very juicy and nice. Okay, and here I have the lettuce, which is already washed. Wow, I just bought these at the market this morning. Nice lettuce. Lettuces are very expensive right now, but anyhow, we have to eat, and we have to eat nutritious foods, so we cannot watch the price of anything anymore. We are happy to have it, and thanks to the farmers, because we have to eat very good. Okay, so the bacon is there in the oven, and I'm waiting on the bacon. Along with the bacon, lettuce and tomato, I have a lovely soup today, and it is hot basil tomato soup, and that I will introduce in a few more minutes. The bacon is done now. Wow, lovely slices of bacon. Today it's 85 degrees outside. Wow, we never expect this, but anyhow, it came along, so we are so happy. Happy spring to you all. Oh, well, I'm ready for spring. What I'm gonna do here now, you would place your lettuce on the bread. Okay, and then your tomato. These are thick slices. Then your bacon. This is going to be a quick lunch. And then you place the next slice of bread over here. You can make it as high as you wanted it. But if the kids also going to have bacon, lettuce and tomato, you want to make the sandwich manageable that they can manage it. And this is a very nutritious lunch sandwich. Again, another slice of tomato here. You can use 2 slices, or you can use 1. Your bacon. Wow, this bacon smells so nice. This is a very good bacon. And of course, yes. Wow, look at it. And also, you can top it off also to let them know this is bacon, lettuce and tomato, and it's a great lunch. And with this, also gonna make a basil tomato soup today. As you can see here, I've already chopped my celery and my carrots, right here. I have my beans, I have my tomato sauce. And as you all know, there's not much time to make tomato sauce from scratch. So this is also from the can because as I said, everything has to be quick. And if you return home for lunch, you can't make tomato paste by scratch. You have to just use it by the can. And it is so easy. 1, 2, 3, your lunch is ready. Nutritious lunch. Here I have my garlic. So you chop up a few pieces of garlic here. Because remember, now everything is going to be quick. You slice your onions. A few pieces of onions. Now onions is very, very good. Good for the stomach. Alright, so you chop up your onions in a quick time, child. Believe you me, everything has to be quick nowadays. Remember, you put the onions and the garlic together. And as I said, I have my celery already chopped. And you have your lovely thyme. Thyme gives a lovely flavor to any soup. The aroma and the flavor. Alright, so I have my water there boiling already. So I'm going to take over here the carrots. All right. Just use some of the carrots. And your celery. This is going to be a lovely vegetable soup. You're going to take your onions and your garlic. Okay, you're going to let that cook a little bit. A little salt, not much salt, just a little salt. Now, as I said, it is 85 degrees outside today. So we are so happy. We are in spring. Happy spring to you all. And I just want to say, I relish the comments that you are giving to me. The comments are wonderful. Without those comments, I would, it's like I wouldn't be who I am right now. So I just want to thank you all. Comments, it uplifts my spirit. You know that thing that they call spirit? Somebody give you comment and man, you feel so good. You're looking so nice. Your food is so nice. We enjoy your food. You're feeling so good about that. So keep the comments coming and I love you all. You see this? A lovely apple. I love. You know, huh? I love apple. And apples are plentiful right now. So you can also go to the market and buy your lovely apple. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes because the vegetables very soft. Okay, folks, so now the vegetables is already cooked. So I'm gonna take over my tomato paste and I'm gonna put it over here. Wow, rich and nice. I also have my beans. This is the red kidney beans. You can use red kidney beans. You can use white kidney beans. Any beans that you like, you can also use. Wow, I can smell the aroma already. Okay. And here is the thyme. You're gonna put your thyme in. This is the basil, very, very fresh. Also dried basil. Okay, you're gonna sprinkle some of that there. And you're gonna stir. Wow. So in here, remember now I have the carrots, I have the celery, I have the kidney beans, and I have the tomato paste, I have the thyme, and I have the basil. So you're gonna let it simmer for just a little while longer. Okay, folks, I'm checking on my soup. Wow. Look at this. Okay, so it's ready. Wow, soup. You look good, soup. So this is the basil tomato soup. The carrots, the celery, the onions, the beans. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so this is the lovely BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. A lovely lunch here. And of course, yes, I put little pickles on the side. Ooh. And here, over here, you have your basil tomato soup. Nutritious, one of the best. Gonna have a taste. Oh my Lord. Oh yes. One of the best. And it only takes 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. Very nutritious. Please subscribe to Aunty Rose's Kitchen. And I appreciate all your reviews. Keep the reviews coming. It keeps me young. And remember, subscribe and hit that bell. Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Wow.